Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is something a lot of you are asking: how to use Sora 2 for free in India. Let's clear the confusion in a simple and honest way. First, what is Sora 2? Sora 2 is an advanced AI video generator developed by OpenAI. It can turn simple text into realistic, high-quality videos. Just imagine typing a sentence and getting a full cinematic video in seconds. That's what makes Sora so powerful. Now the big question: can you use it for free in India? Right now, the answer is no, not officially. Sora 2 is still being rolled out and is only available in limited regions. India hasn't received full access yet. But don't worry, here's what you can do. First, keep an eye on official platforms like OpenAI. OpenAI usually releases new features step by step, so India might get access soon. When it launches, there could be free limited usage, like a few video generations per day. Second, you can join waitlists or early access programs whenever they open. This increases your chances of trying Sora 2 for free before everyone else. Third, learn from demos. Many creators share Sora videos on platforms like YouTube. Watching these can help you understand how prompts work, so you'll be ready when access comes. Now, a quick warning. If you see websites or apps claiming 100% free Sora 2 access in India, be careful.